Hi, my name is Riku and welcome to another tutorial video. It's been a while since I did another tutorial video. So today we're going to try out this application called HandBrake. I use it sometimes whenever I hit cut it out. I use that sometimes whenever I cut it out. I use that sometimes whenever I don't have like enough space, or I'm running out of space, or the memory is too big and I want to keep that like video. And yeah, this application will help you save up some memory. Like for example, like if you got like a 2 gig video, you can compress it into like something smaller. So this tutorial is gonna be like that. So first we're gonna install it. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, just search the name HandBrake on Google and you can see the link right over here. Click it, and what you're gonna do next is download it right here, and it's gonna pop up, save, and then double click to install. Press yes. Here we go. So what we're gonna do next is just next, and you can choose whatever you want the applications to be saved. So I guess I'm gonna go for like the C drive, but you can always uninstall it if you don't want it there anymore. There we go. Okay, here we go. Now it's created. What are we gonna do now is like I'm gonna pull this down and I'm gonna pull HandBrake up right over here. There we go. I'm gonna launch it. Yes. So here we go. We got our HandBrake. So what we're gonna do now is that I'm gonna do a sample on how to convert your videos. I mean, how to compress it. So I got some samples here. I just recorded it like last time from a live. I was playing indie games. So we got here that has like 365 MB. All you gotta do is like drag this and put it over here. And boom. And boom, boom, boom. So what we're gonna do next is, it depends on you if you want it to be like MKB or MP4. I prefer MP4. I like MP4. And next thing is like I guess this is fine. The video is fine. Here you can also change if you want it to be like 60 FPS. I'm just fine with 30 FPS. I guess this is good. I think this is good to go. So what we're gonna do next is save it somewhere. Okay, I think what we're gonna do next is save it somewhere. So I guess you gotta just gonna hit browse and pick a folder. I'm gonna choose OBS recording, and I'm gonna name it, I mean, it depends on you if you want to name it something like edited 1. Boom. And then there we go. Once it's done, we're gonna start encoding. And this really depends, like this one, it really depends on your PC on how fast it is. I think mine is like and also where you store the video. My disk is on F, so I think it's like transferring it on C on the main drive on E. So I guess we're gonna wait it up. We're gonna wait for a while. Hey, okay, so it's done. So let's see the results. Here we go. So the edited one is over here, and look at that. It's 412. It increased. It increased for some reason. Wait a minute, I don't remember this happening. Wait, let me try it again. Let me try it again, please. Okay, so I do the cropping to none. Maybe... I think something has happened here. Nothing happened. We can do it again, 1080p, and see what's gonna happen next. Encoding. I swear, if this is not gonna work out, guys, I'm scamming you guys. I'm scamming you. Oh no, I feel embarrassed now. I feel embarrassed. Okay, I guess it's done. Let's see the results. Hopefully, it's good. Oh no. Still the same. What? I'm confused. Wait, there's two now? Where? Oh, it's on videos! It's on videos! All this, it's on here. Guys, I'm dumb. There we go. See, I knew it. Let's see the quality, guys. So yeah, this game is called Pretend It's Not There. I'm not crazy, guys. I knew it. I'm not crazy. But yeah, here we go. Sorry about my unpreparedness. I just want to do it raw, like a raw tutorial. So here we go. This is the result. Just go to your videos and you can see it got extracted here. Okay? So now it became 296. That was the original one. But since I changed it to very fast, here it became 122. I mean, that's a good deal. I mean, does it even play? So yeah, this game is called Pretend It's Not There. It's a horror game. Okay. Yep, it's still there. Hell yeah. Still good, nice quality and stuff like that. So yeah, that's how it is. Just to make sure, let's do another one, and that is wait a minute, guys. Maybe it's gonna be quite long though. Let's try this one. This is like 1.8 gig, so let's do that. Okay, now there it is, and it's gonna be saved on videos. I should have like checked on it, but there we go. And also don't forget to none the cropping, just to make sure it's not gonna crop anything. And also, if you want, we can try the 60 FPS. See how it goes. There we go. It's gonna be a while, so yeah, it's gonna be a while. It's gonna be 25 minutes, 24 minutes. I think it's because I'm recording, guys. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna see you in 24 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go in and sleep for a bit. Okay, it's done. It's, the quest is finished. The queue is finished. So let's see the results. So here we go. So it was like 1.12 GB. Wait, how big? Okay, it was 1.8 before, and now it's 1.12. So I guess it really reduced. It really reduced a bit. But if you're gonna convert it again, it's gonna go down more. But since my PC is like kind of like processing a lot of things right now with my model and stuff like that, it doesn't compress faster. So if you guys could try it out, it will work out. So yeah, just try it out and see what happens. It's a nice software that you can use if you want to reduce like the video file that you have. It really works. And I've been using it for quite a while too, because it really helps with my memory on my disk. And also you can also change the quality too if you want. Like here's the presets. You can change the FPS as well. So this application is really helpful if you have the same like problem as I am. But yeah, I hope this tutorial helps. Don't forget to like leave a like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want. I'm sorry if it's like my tutorials is like a big mess. It's all over the place. But yeah. So yeah, see you guys again next time. If you guys have any like videos that you want me to make or do, please leave a comment down below and I will look into it and try it out. So yeah, bye bye and see you again on the next video. Oh yeah, and don't forget to check out my stream. I kind of stream I kind of stream sometimes. Yes, I mean every day. Well, not on the weekdays though, but yeah. See you on my stream if you happen to like want to come by. Yeah, bye bye.